That was me. Oh yeah. Beantown. Any reviews? And there's
we have to.
Sorry. Thanks. I had the cream filling. We in the biz so much cooler. And now you can have. Yeah. If you follow the channel for a long time, you know that. Excuse me, I burp all the time. Motherfucker. Anyway.
No, you can do it. So bad. Who wished this upon us?
That was like a residual. Oh my goodness. Okay, fine. That was you.
Bitch. Away from me.
Boning. Burping. Burping. We just had burp sex. People I cannot fucking stand. Excuse me. Number one, people who burp. Maybe a firestorm. Bangarang.